Yes.
Good afternoon to the respected mentors, co-presenters, delegates and viewers. First of all, I would like to thank IIIT TDM Kanjipuram and British Council for giving this, conducting this type of research to bring creative minds in our school. I am D. Pushpa, graduate teacher from Panchayat Union Middle School, Sogotarai, Kunnu, then Nilgiris, Tamil Nadu. In my class, one IED child is able to speak nowadays. This is the success story I am going to share in this research. My research topic is implementing bilingual materials in 6th grade classroom, exploring student, teacher and parents' perspectives. My research questions are: what are my students' reasons for using bilingual material in my 6th grade classroom? What are my colleagues' reasons for encouraging bilingual material in my 6th grade classroom? What are my parents' expectations for using bilingual material in my 6th grade classroom? Why do I need to use bilingual material in my 6th grade classroom? Motivation for this research. I would like to say the reasons behind the research. I have felt difficulty to handle some students while taking class completely in English. Some students hesitate to ask questions for a passage because of lack of understanding. 3 students always disturbed other students in my English classroom. 2 of them remained silent in my English classroom. One IED child couldn't respond using words. Hence, I used partially translated bilingual material in my English classroom. My school background. My school name is Panchayat Union Middle School, Sogotarai, Kunnu, the Nilgiris. It is located in a beautiful area with green hills. It is a rural school. The students are from 4 habitations and their area of interest also differs. It is 10 kilometers away from town. The main work is tea plantation and vegetable cultivation. The nature of parents' work also differs. Most of them are coolies, daily wages, masons, carpenters, drivers, tea leaf pluckers, gardeners, farmers, etc. Parents always early morning they will leave the house and they will return late at the night. That's why the parents hardly find the time to be with their birds. Children always depend on teachers for their studies, so I never give homework to my students. I collected the data from students, parents, teachers through various methods like focus group interview with students, 10 students, and questionnaire to peer teachers, 5 of them, one-on-one interview with parents, 18, and diary writing for 12 days, conducted pre-test for 3 days and post-test for 1 day. My sample is all the students from 6th grade, that is 5 boys and 5 girls. I conducted a focus group interview with 10 students. I asked the following questions and their responses also recorded. How do I take class? Most of the time I will take only in English. How many of you can understand class while I am taking completely in English? 5 of them raised their hand. How many of you expect me to say partially in Tamil? 7 of them. How many of you expect me to say in Tamil? None of them. Shall we use bilingual material for better understanding? Yes, all the children say yes. I gave the questionnaire with 10 questions to the BLM material to 5 of my peer teachers. The teachers liked our bilingual material. They all concluded that the students are not able to cope up with incomplete English class. They also confirmed that bilingual materials will give positive changes in the classroom. I went to the students' home in the evenings and interviewed their parents. Majority of the students are communicating in home Tamil only. Previous one, sir. Parents are expecting their children to communicate in English only. The bilingual materials gave scope for the parents to use in their home. All of them agreed to use bilingual material for better understanding. Test. It took 3 days for me to conduct pre-test. Dictation 1. I dictated both Tamil and English words in the pre-test. Translation, I asked them to translate a passage into Tamil. Next, I gave myself, I asked them to write 5 sentences about them both in Tamil and English. So main thing I wanted to say here is to conduct pre-test for me took 3 days. Post-test. Students completed the post-test without asking any doubts within 1 English period. There also I gave the dictation words. I dictated English words, but the children wrote the equivalent Tamil word. I gave the words from the lesson, like some words, snatch, delicious, windows, finish. They wrote the sentence on their own. And finally I asked them to write a paragraph about Ooty. They are capable to write both in Tamil and English. I analyzed the pre-test and post-test not based on the quantity but based on the quality. Initially I dictated both Tamil and English words, but whereas in post-test they are able to write the equivalent words, dictation words they are able to write. Next, in pre-test I asked the students to translate small passage with 2 sentences in Tamil. All of them struggled. But whereas in post-test they wrote 5 sentences about trip to Ooty on their own and also translated in Tamil. Next. In pre-test, I told them to write 5 sentences about themselves in Tamil and English. Very few of them only wrote either in Tamil or in English. In post-test, they framed own sentences to the given words. Diary writing. With the permission of my HM, I distributed the bilingual materials on 9th November that motivated my students. I took a focused group interview and respected district elementary educational officer appreciated our effort and declared my classroom as the best role model school in our Nilgiri Headmasters WhatsApp group. There was a misunderstanding by my Tamil Pandit. She said, while Tamil Pandits are here, why you are interfering in taking Tamil and that? So there was a quarrel between us. While I was conducted the discussion about bilingual material with peer teachers, there was a conflict. ARMS, Action Research Monitoring Scheme. So somebody is going to monitor us, so we should not answer to the questionnaire. So our block educational officer visited and also suggested to conduct pre-test and post-test to avoid unnecessary things. I have completed the proscriptive OT for 12 periods. I went to conduct one-on-one interview in the evenings and went to the 3 areas, namely Sogatharai, Nerkambai and Vanivilas. Then I shared the success of the research with the students, teachers, parents and villagers on an occasion. One fine day, HM appreciated the IED child for speaking with others and involving in all the activities. My students got an opportunity to act in the e-content for the 5th standard lesson 5 detectives. Findings. I observed certain positive changes in my classroom, like students' understanding level improved to a greater extent. Parents are ready to support their children with the help of the bilingual materials. Teachers are willing to use bilingual material to improve their understanding level. Even the IED child started to speak in the class. Frequent absentee is attending the class now regularly. Slow learner changed his level best. 4 students are now able to translate both in Tamil and English, vice versa. 7 students are reading fluently and eliciting the questions for the given passage. Conclusion. We expect all the students to use English effectively, but the students who are able to think in their mother tongue only can translate their thoughts into English and inspire others. So I conclude with the thought, creative minds always need mother tongue to think and capture the ideas. English is the best language to extend our thoughts to reach more people. Thank you all.
Yeah.
Most of the children speak in dialect, that is Badga language. So that is why I said that the majority of students are fluent with English, but Tamil little bit struggle. While shooting the children, the team came to our village they are speaking in Tamil, our children's languages without respect. Because that language like that, but in our language we'll give the respect, some words are like that. But when we suddenly change to Tamil means it won't come fluently. That is the difference there. That's why I asked. Most of the time I'll always go with English in my school. That is why if you need an Tamil, they said like that. That's why, sir. Then next question, IED, deaf and dumb, but slowly is now able to utter some words. He is speaking with others. Otherwise, for the past 7 years, he simply sat in the school. No one mingled with him. Now he contributed to Children magazine also. So that is why there is a change. Lots of change in that way. Thank you, sir. Thank you for bringing that.